Hello everyone, myself Sabri and I welcome you to our channel Solution Bridge Network and one-stop solution for all your Power Platform tutorials.
Hello everyone, welcome back to End-to-End Model Driven App Creation series. We are on the fifth part of the series where we are going to explore security roles in model driven apps. We already have a video covering the brief explanation of what is a model driven app, benefits, and the difference between a canvas and model driven. We have a place where we have created the tables and relationships. We have understood what is a view, what is a form, and how to create business roles. If you are new to model driven app, I recommend you watching that videos before coming here. So we are just continuing off where we left off in the previous video. Security roles are crucial part of managing access to data and features within your apps. Whether you are an admin, maker, or consultant, understanding how security roles work is essential for building secure and efficient process. By end of this video, you will understand what security roles are, how to configure them, and how to use them effectively in your apps. Let's understand what are security roles. Security roles in Power Apps control what data and feature user can access within your model driven app. They are like the keys that decide who gets to do what, whether it's creating a record, reading data, or deleting items. Each user in model driven app is assigned to one or more security roles which determine their permissions. To add or modify any security roles, it is mandatory for you to have a system customizer or an environment admin at the environment level where your apps are hosted. Or you should be a Power Platform admin at your organizational level. I'm on the page where we have left off in the previous video. So we do have four tables: projects, tasks, milestones, and team members. I being the environment admin, I have access to add, view, delete, and modify the records. So our use case here, let's consider creating a new security role which gives only read access to all these tables. To attain this, let me take you to the home page of this same environment where the app is hosted. Expand the hamburger and select the Power Platform option and then go with Power Platform Admin Center. In the Admin Center, this is a new Admin Center what I have enabled. If you have old admin center, you can switch back and you will be able to see all the information as per the old admin centers. Let me switch back to new and I'll go to manage and you can click on environments and select the environment where your app is hosted. And here now you should click on security roles to start creating a role. So let me click see all and this will list down all the security roles that is available in the selected environment. You can see there are so many roles available. You can see a plus new role option by which you will be able to create a complete new role from scratch. But I always recommend you to go with the basic user, copy the role, and then customize it accordingly. So the basic user gives the privilege for the user to access an app when it is shared with them. So let me call it as project management module underscore read. So let me copy. You can search the role PMM here and you will be able to see the role what you have created. So click on the role and this will just open up the role assignment area where you can see the role name, what are the tables that has been assigned to. Currently it is showing only the tables which are assigned. So you have a privilege to mark it as show all tables or show unassigned tables. Let me set it to show all tables. If you want to collapse all the fields, you can click the small arrow near the table. So you have different categories available here: business management, business process flows, core records, custom tables, and much more. By adjusting the privilege here, you will be able to control the access of an user. If you just expand the custom tables, you will have all the tables that has been available in the Dataverse section. This gives you the name, what is the record owner permissions, and here you can set, create, read, write, delete, append, undo, assign, and share privileges. So now, first what we would like to do is to go and select our project table. So project. And if you come here in the custom table section, you have an option called projects. So what I would like to do is, since this being a read, you go to the read section, select the none and set it to organization. If it is organization, it gives access to all the records available in that table with view only permissions because this is set as read. If you go to user, this gives access to the records owned by the user, that is the records created by the user. Parent to child business unit gives access to records in the user business unit and all subordinate business units. This gives access only to the user's current business unit. The user who has this role will be able to see all the line items in the project, but that will be a read only to him. If you see these two stars, then it says that this section is assigned, but it is not saved. You can see it here. You have unsaved changes. So let me save it. Now you will be able to notice that that will be gone. It's organization. Similarly, we need to make sure we set this to all other tables available in our model driven app. Let's search for tasks, select it. In the read permission, set it as organization. Similarly, milestone. Here, what we will do, we will just make a small change. Here, the user can create, user can write, user can delete. So let me look out for the last table, that is team member. I would like to set it as read only. Now you can say save. Now we have created a new role called PMM read. The next step, what we need to do is we need to assign this role to the users. To attain that, you can get back to the settings section. Here you can expand the users and permissions, and here you can go to users. This page will list down all the users who have access to this environment. If you want to add a user, you can click add, and here you will be able to search for the username and you will be able to get it in the drop down. Now I would like to use this existing user Alex Weber. So let me select him and let's click on manage security roles. Now Alex has app opener and basic user role assigned. Let's scroll through and check if there is any other roles being assigned. No. Now we will just search for the role what we have created, that is PMM read. So let me select that and save it. It says you are going to change the assignment for Alex. These are the roles what you have assigned. Yeah, I'm okay. Let's click on save. Once done, you can select that user and click on refresh. So that system will automatically refresh the user. It might take 5 to 10 minutes to get these roles enabled. So now let me take you to the screen where I have logged in as Alex Weber. So you can see here, I have logged in as Alex Weber, and this is our model driven app what we have created. You could notice one thing here where we are able to understand that the milestone option is missing for us. So we have made some error in the configuration of security roles. So let's get back to the admin area, go to the environment level information and click on security roles, and let filter the security role what we have created. So that's PMM read. Let's go in here and it says show only assigned tables. Yeah, we are good. We need to see that. And let me type on milestone. If you see in the milestone, the permission what we have made is create, write, delete. Read is not applicable here for this role. That's the mistake. So what we can do, we can set that read to organization as well. So let's save and close it. Now let's get back, go to the user, refresh Alex so that the permission what we have made here is made effective. This is done. So let's jump back to the model driven app and reload, and let's see if we are able to see the milestones tab. Now you can see the milestone tab is enabled. I've just waited for 2-3 minutes so that this gets effective. If you see here in the projects, you are not able to see a plus icon where you can create a new record. So if you go inside the project, you will be able to see a banner which says read only. You don't have access to edit this record. If you go to the task, you will find the similar kind of interface where if you open any of the task, it says it's read only. But in the milestone, what we have set is we have given the privilege for the user to create, delete, and modify as well. So you can see the plus icon is available. And if you open any of the milestone, you will have an option to edit that same. If you want, you can save. This got saved. Similarly, in the team member, you will be able to only read it and this read only banner will be applicable. So here what we have attained is we created a simple read-only role for the three tables, project, tasks, and team members, and we have assigned the complete access for the milestone. Considering the live use case here, you can assign the project managers to access to the projects table where all other peoples can view the rest of the tables if required. Or if you want to restrict the users to view only the tasks assigned to them, you can have that configured in the security roles as well. By this, we come to end of this video. Please post your questions in the comment section and we will be responding as soon as possible.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, hit the like button, and press the bell icon for our new video alerts.